Now that we have the countertops with overhang, we have an exact final top size. So let's draw a backsplash that goes to the end of each overhang. Click on Draw, come down to Splash Miter. Remember to pay attention to your modes and switches. I want you to be in edge mode. This will detect the wall edge, a splash height of 4 inches, and let's offset at 8 inches. This step's real easy. All we're gonna do is touch on the screen where we have that red wall line. I'm gonna touch on the outside of the countertop part. And with one touch, the software detects that edge and creates a splash that's the exact length of the entire top. In just a few clicks, we have 4-inch splash drawn 8 inches away from the top, and we're ready to move on to the next step.